4 to 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces, thighs and drumsticks work great. 2 cups buttermilk. 2 teaspoons hot sauce optional, for marinade. Salt and pepper. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. Salt and black pepper to taste. Vegetable or peanut oil, enough to deep fry. Ready-made Nashville hot sauce, your favorite brand. Pickle chips and sliced white bread. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Soak in buttermilk and optional hot sauce for at least 4 hours or overnight. Mix flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Dredge marinated chicken in flour mix. Press firmly to get a thick crust. Rest for 10 minutes. Heat oil to 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry chicken in batches until golden and crispy, about 12 to 15 minutes depending on size. Place on wire rack to drain excess oil. Brush it all over the hot fried chicken. Serve this fried crispy chicken with white bread and dill pickles.